Hi everybody, welcome back. So my Wisper Wayfarer mid-drive. I've done a few miles now and I love it. I love it very much. It's a very powerful bike. The mid-drive is amazing. Pulling away easy, hills easy. It just rides really smoothly. Like, it's a very quiet power delivery. Quiet in the sense of there's not a big push behind me, so it's just to help me get along. I really like it. I really am enjoying it, but nothing's perfect, you know. The guys at Wisper are brilliant, don't get me wrong, but there's a couple of things that I don't know, maybe tweak if you can, or maybe it's just me. Let me just go through those. Let me just flip the camera around for y'all. So the first thing, you know, I've ridden 5 miles or so, not far, but let's talk grips. These are literally awful. I guess they're cheap. I don't know why they've put them on. There's no padding. They're very anti-slippery, so you know your hand doesn't slip whatsoever on those. But there's no padding, there's no protection, there's nothing. Not a fan of those, so they need to be changed. I need to change those. So, you know, on a £3,100 bike, should you then have to go and spend £20 on grips? I don't think you should. The brakes make a slight noise. I've never had hydraulic brakes before, so it could just be me. But when you brake, there's like a shh sort of noise. So I can speak to them about that. That could just be me. That's probably not them, to be absolutely fair. As I said, they've kind of gone back to the original rack. So they changed it to one with a wooden insert, and then they've gone back to this one. This is off the tailwind. I don't know whether I like it or not, to be honest with you. I think I do, but I'm not sure. The seat's okay. I don't think the seat is that uncomfortable. There's quite a few reviews saying the seat is uncomfortable. There's quite a bit. I'll show you there, quite a bit of padding in there. It's wide, you know, it's not bad at all. So yeah, I think kind of the main thing are the grips. It could be my handlebar position. Maybe I'm kind of showing you. Let's see if I can get a good description of how they are compared to the saddle height. If you can have a look at that. Maybe I'll come out a little bit on the video, show me a bit of a bike. It could be that I'm just under 6 foot, like 5'11" 3/4. It could be the wrong height, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, so it's made things a lot easier for me. I've got a bad knee. Pressure on the knee, I can really tell the difference with this bike, how much it helps me moving around. But these grips, man. The other thing, yeah, the gears. So let's talk about the gear. So I ride probably around at about 8 miles an hour, I guess, when I'm riding. I'm not fast. I'm not there to race anybody. I don't know if this shows me my average speed. Just have a quick click through the modes for you while I'm here. Oh yeah, it does. There we go, 8.4. But I find that I need to be in kind of gear 6 all the time. So there doesn't seem to be a lot for me to go up. I think the very low gears are like wasted, the first 3. So I think it's kind of, I'd class it as a 6-speed, even though it's 9. But you know what I mean. Yeah, I did buy some chain lube. That's the other thing that some people told me to buy. So I bought some GT85. I've been told to keep it away here from the cogs derailleur. So I'm going to put some more lube on it now. But yeah, so I am absolutely loving it. It's going to help me a massive amount. But if my only gripe is $20 worth of grips or £20 worth of grips, then I guess that's not too bad. But I just kind of think that's a bit cheap there. Anyway, I've ordered myself a little back pannier, like a bag to go on the back. And I've got myself obviously a gold lock, which I need to attach. But apart from that, thank you Wisper, it's a great bike. And yeah, I'll let you know how I get on with the grips. Keep watching.